What's going on, everyone? Back again with another pointless filing to talk about. This one's out of NYSEArca. Don't like this one very much. It's a notice of filing and immediate effectiveness of proposed rule change to permit Monday and Wednesday expirations for option listed pursuant to the short-term option series program on the Invesco QQQ Trust M Series QQQ ETF Trust. That's a long-ass title. Effective Monday. What mean? The purpose of this filing is to amend Rule 6.4-0, series of options open for trading, to permit Monday and Wednesday expirations for options listed pursuant to the short-term option series program. Now, a short-term option series is a series in an options class that is approved for listing and trading on the exchange in which the series is open for trading on any Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday that is a business day and that expires on the Monday, Wednesday, or Friday of the next business week. Or in the case of a series that is listed on a Friday and expires on a Monday, is listed one business week and one business day prior to that expiration. Now, many of us don't have access to these strategies for options, so I'm just going to cut to the chase. Basically, all this filing is doing and all it is intended for to help hedge funds manage their risk exposure. And similar to the SPY, as it says right here, the introduction of Monday and Wednesday QQQ expirations will, among other things, expand hedging tools available to market participants and continue the reduction of the premium cost of buying protection. In essence, F this filing.